There we go.
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Here is a look at the weather features that will vary at any given location several days. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Charlottesville and the surrounding KBZ 28 listening area. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming southeast this afternoon.
Okay, I just noticed something. I just checked the alert log. This is WVHL, okay? Alert received on monitor 3. I can't use monitor 2 because it's busted. Match filter, whatever. A broadcast station or cable system has issued a required weekly test for Amelia, Brunswick, Buckingham, Charlotte, Dinwiddie, Lunenburg, Mecklenburg, Nottoway, Prince Edward, all of Virginia. Oh, I'll talk about this later. I thought KJY86 went off the air. Sorry about that. We got WXL92, WXL60, and KJY86's test. So, what I was talking about is, see, alert received, monitor 3, whatever. Broadcast station or cable system has issue, require weekly test for Amelia, Brunswick, Buckingham, Charlotte, Dinwiddie, Williamsburg, Mecklenburg, Nottoway, Prince Edward, and all of Virginia. And Amelia again, Amelia, Buchanan, I don't know, Cumberland, Lunenburg, Mecklenburg again, Nottoway, Prince Edward, all of Virginia, Amelia, Buchanan, Cumberland, Lunenburg, Mecklenburg again, Nottoway again, Prince Edward again, WVHL, EO1 received. Wow. Wow. Good job, WVHL. You have issued a required weekly test for all of Virginia, all of Mecklenburg, all of Mecklenburg, all of Prince Edward, all of Nottoway, all of Prince Edward, all of Lunenburg, all of Lunenburg, all of Amelia. Wow, yeah, you literally had to do it twice. Good going, WVHL. Give me a fist bump.